Okay, so I'm going to talk about probably one of the biggest mistakes that guys are making when they're texting women. And it's not only just with texting, it's with online game, it's with cold approach, it's with everything. And I don't really see enough people talking about this, so now I'm going to talk about it. But before I tell you what the biggest mistake guys are making with texting, I want to let you know that Panty Soaking Texts is available right now. All you got to do is head over to pantysoakingtexts.com. You're going to be able to access 27 full texting breakdowns from Hinge, from Tinder. This is all encompassing from cold approach. It's all encompassing messaging, texting game. Once you know how to talk to a girl on one platform, you know how to talk to her on all of them. So a big thing that we cover in that course, and that I'm going to be talking about right now, okay, is that when you are at a job interview, when you are talking to a client through your work, when you're at the grocery store, when you're on a date, no matter what, when things are too serious, it's unattractive. It's not fun. When you go and hang out with a good friend, and you think about some of the best times you've ever had in your life with that good friend, was it that you guys were sitting there having like a very serious conversation about work and the way that their day was and how things are going in their relationship? Were those the best times? Or was it the times where you guys were laughing, where you guys were having a great conversation, laughing, being witty, being funny, even picking at each other, challenging each other, making fun of each other, right? Think about that energy. Well, that energy is not being brought to your texting enough. You're not being funny with these girls. You're not being witty. And guys say, oh, I don't want to be a clown. I want to make sure that she knows that I'm the alpha. You know who's fucking hilarious? Some of the most alpha motherfuckers you've ever met, okay? Look up like Jason Momoa interviews, okay? This is literally Khal Drogo from Game of Thrones, like the ultimate archetype of like this warrior, right? He's Aquaman. And he's in these interviews and he's funny. The Rock, again, super alpha motherfucker, is multi-dimensional. This is called a unique pairing. When you take two things that shouldn't go together and then you put them together, it becomes attractive. So for our example that we're talking about here, okay, you take a really alpha dude. He just looks like he's this super muscular guy. Well, women are gonna not like him as much when he's just that all the way through. So when you get to talking to him and he's like, I really enjoy the gym, and my life's purpose on this planet is to make an impact in the world and whatever. Like, some girls are going to be attracted to that, but the most attractive thing this guy could be is a unique pairing where he's super alpha, he's very muscular, he's on his shit, and also he cracks jokes. He's challenging, he's funny, he's charismatic, he's kind of like bubbly in a room socially, he's talking to a lot of people. Okay, these are unique pairings. So this is why humor can take you so far. So when you're texting women, all right, guys always say, texting should not be, you don't want to be her gay little best friend and just text about her day. Texting should only be for logistics. Texting should only be for setting up the date. What is the date and time? She says, how was your day? You go, it was good. What time are we meeting at bar? I'm still on for 7. Did you ever end up actually going and hanging out with that friend the other night? Or I will tell you at the date. And it's just, we're only texting about logistics. Guys, there's a fucking gray area here, okay? Having some fun, witty banter in between the setting up of the date and the date itself can, 1, solidify the date, 2, can show that, like, it can show non-neediness. It can actually show that, like, oh, this guy's texting a little bit, having a conversation. This might mean that he's not, like, just desperate to fuck, and that's the only reason he's talking to me. So you guys are thinking way too logically when you're texting about, like, what's the way that I could just end up fucking the girl. And what you're forgetting is that the best way to stand out in all of life, guys, in all of life, is to be funny and witty. I swear to God, this is 100% true. Think about like the top coaches in the world, financially, business, fitness, dating, whatever, man. Like the top people in the world are fucking funny, okay? These guys are hilarious. Brandon Carter's like this top fitness guy. He's hilarious in his videos, right? He's not just like, you gotta get jacked today, and I'm gonna help you get jacked. Like, he's fucking funny. He's cracking jokes all the time, okay? And so I understand that it can be difficult. So you're like, well, Aaron, how do I be funny? this is like, it's very complicated. And what I'd like to do is I'd actually like to give you a ton of actual examples of funny text messaging practices, like how to be witty, how to challenge, how to actually be fun. And I've included all of it over in Panty Soaking Texts. It's available right now. It's pantysoakingtexts.com. If you end up fucking hating the course, just message me, tell me you hate it, tell me that you truly don't feel like you learned anything, and I'll know you're lying, but I'll still give you your fucking money back, because that's how much I believe in the course. I'm just not that concerned. So you're going to learn how to be witty. You're going to learn how to stand out. You're going to learn how to craft perfect profiles. You're going to learn the 3 questions you have to ask yourself every time before you send a text message. Just as important as me breaking down 27 text conversations from Tinder, from Hinge, from Cold Approach, just as important as me showing you what to do, I actually break down some fails from students that I had them submit to me. And so I show you what not to do and what I would have done differently in these conversations to yield a desired result. There's so much. You can go learn more about it over at pantysoakingtext.com. But guys, I'm telling you, humor it's a sign of confidence as well. It goes so deep about why you want to be funny, why you want to be witty, why you want to be challenging when you're talking to these girls. And this is where, again, everybody is going so wrong in all of life. It shows that you're not taking yourself too seriously. It shows that you're unattached. It shows that you're not needy. It shows that you're a fun-loving guy. And who wants to be with somebody that's boring? Nobody, all right? So I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope it changes the way that you think about your text messaging. And again, guys, go sign up for PantySoakingTexts.com right now.